Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for New Year's Eve celebration. Let's get started.
I'm decorating a 6-inch cake dummy today with vegan American buttercream. I'm putting this on a large cake board so I can use the cake board as part of the decoration. I also put a large amount of buttercream on the cake board. This will make sense soon. I colored some buttercream black and ivory. I put black buttercream in a piping bag with a small round piping tip and the ivory buttercream in a piping bag with a medium star tip. I agonized over the numbers for a while. I seriously considered using a cutter to make an impression, but I didn't have one small enough for the small cake. So in the end I freehanded the numbers, which would have looked better with a template, but I did the best I could. Then I piped the hands of the clock, pointing to shortly before 12. Then I alternating piping swirls and stars around the side of the cake with the ivory buttercream. Then I piped a star border around the edge of the cake with the ivory as well. Then I'm using a Glamour Mix sprinkle mix. I emptied the container into a bowl and mixed them all together. It looked fantastic. Then I pressed the sprinkle mix into the buttercream on the cake board. Finally, I used the stars to top the swirls. And dark sugar pearls to top the stars. I actually really like this cake. My kids decided this is their favorite. Sprinkles make everything better. And may 2021 be better than 2020. Happy New Year. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.